tune out. So try this thing noise, Sheldon.
This is new. It's never made this sound before. We should call a repairman.
I'm not spending money, old friend. Ignore it, Sheldon.
What are you doing? I'm going to take apart the refrigerator and figure out what's making that noise. What did you do? Good news. I found out what part was making that noise. You need to put this back together. Now back to the bad news. What made you think you could fix this? I'm smart. And I had a book.
$200?
It'll be okay. We'll find the money.
Just say the rest of the week got better and better if you had come to block his hands on fire.